Hey there drone fans, Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily record audio wirelessly when you're flying your DJI Neo, if you're using your phone as the controller or the DJI RC2. Unfortunately, right now, if you're using the RCN2 or RCN3, we can't find a way to record audio, but we're still working on that. But if you're using your phone or the RC2, this wireless microphone kit will help you capture some really nice audio when you're out there flying your drone. Now, one of the features I like an awful lot about the Neo is the fact that DJI allows you to record audio along with the video you're recording if you're using your phone. So let's say you're out flying over a lake or a beautiful forest and you want to add some commentary, just speak into the microphone on your phone, that audio is picked up, it's blended with the file, and when you download that video, you'll have the video as well as the audio, which you can quickly edit and pop up on your social media channels. It's also great if you're using the Neo as sort of a virtual camera person flying in front of you when you're creating a vlog. That way you can add audio to the vlog and again, quickly edit that and get it up on your social media channels. The challenge is, picking up the audio on your phone means you have to have the phone in the shot. It has to be close to you. And the further away it is from you, the less quality of audio. You may not capture audio at all. And most people don't want the phone in the shot. So this wireless microphone kit connects up to the phone. Then you can slip that in your back pocket, clip the mic to your lapel, and just record your video. And you won't see the phone in the shot. With the RC2, this plugs into the bottom of the RC2. You start a screen recording, you capture the video and the audio, download the file, and you've got the same results. So it gives you a way to record really nice quality audio when you're flying the Neo and not have to worry about matching those two up later on. You'll have that file that has both the video and the audio together. Now again, to use the kit, it's pretty straightforward. There are two components inside the kit. It's a magnetic case. You can charge it with a USB-C cable on the bottom. Inside the case, you'll find the microphone, which will clip to your lapel like that. And you'll find a receiver, which connects up to your device. Now, this is natively a USB-C connection. So if you have an Android phone or you've got one of the newer Apple phones, this will plug directly into the phone. If you've got an older Apple product where it's got the Lightning connection on it, we also offer an adapter that converts the USB-C to an Apple connection like that. So you'll plug this into your phone. With the RC2, it's more straightforward. There's one USB-C connection on the bottom. You basically plug the receiver into the bottom of it like that and you're good to go. Start a screen recording, fly, add the commentary. When you're done, download the file. You'll have both the audio and video together. Now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm out in the woods here in South Jersey and I'm flying the Neo, walking down a fire road, and I've recorded some audio with it. Now, one thing that's really interesting is that there is noise cancellation built into the drone and there's noise cancellation built into the microphone. So when you're flying the drone, if you've flown the Neo, you know how noisy it can be because it's got small props and they really make a whiny noise. The sound is absolutely perfect. So the sound from the Neo doesn't include that motor sound. It actually eliminates the propeller sound from the audio. So when you're watching this video, this Neo is flying about 6 feet in front of me as I walk down the road and it's flying away from me. You're not going to hear any prop noise in there at all. So I'll show you the example, then I'll come back at the end and explain a little bit more about the kit. One other really nice feature that the Neo provides is the ability to record audio along with the video. And to do that, you'll need your smartphone handy because you're going to speak into the microphone on your smartphone to record that audio. And that may not be the greatest if you're recording a vlog because then your smartphone's in the shot. So one way to get around that is to use our wireless microphone kit, and you'll plug the receiver into your smartphone, whether it's an Apple or an Android, then slide your smartphone into your back pocket. And the wireless microphone will pick up all the audio and add it to the video feed. And another big advantage to our kit is the fact that we've built in noise cancellation to knock down all the background noise like wind and other noises in the area, and especially the drone noise. So right now I'm recording audio on the Neo and it's about 6 feet in front of me and you don't hear the drone. And that's because of that noise cancellation. You can also use this kit directly with the RC2 controller. You'll just plug it in and start a screen recording and the same noise cancellation will take effect. And it really is just that easy. So I think that's really impressive that it can record the audio and eliminate the propeller noise. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the latest version of firmware for the Neo gives you a couple of selections on how much that noise reduction impacts the actual quality of the audio. You can have it natural, you can have it extreme. So play around with those settings to get the best quality audio for you. But you've got noise cancellation in the microphone and in the software. So it gives you a great way to have this fly in front of you as a virtual camera person. And again, record you as you're walking and record record the audio in addition to that. Now, the kit itself is pretty straightforward. We've had these available for quite some time. They're really popular with the RC2, flying all the drones that are out there by creating a screen recording, adding audio to the video you're recording. But it works really well with the Neo, especially if you're using your phone as a controller. Because the one thing about the Neo that's nice is it's got a lot of artificial intelligence built in it. So what I end up doing is launching the drone, having it follow me, and I'll put the phone in my back pocket and walk and have that drone be in front of me as if I've got a camera person backing up in front of me with a gimbal. And then I've got the audio on top of that video, which is pretty nice. The kit itself, as I mentioned, includes a transmitter and the receiver, which is USB-C. If you need the Apple adapter, a couple extra bucks for that. You can decide to get the kit together or get the adapter later, whatever you need. But we have plenty of these in stock. And really what we're all about is when we're flying our drones, if there's a situation where we can make things a little bit easier, a little bit more fun, we look for a product. And this one we developed a couple of years back, actually, initially for the RC2 and the original smart controller to add audio to those recordings. And it's been working great ever since. We started testing it with the Neo a couple of weeks ago, and it's really made a huge difference in the audio quality that we're recording. So we have plenty of these in stock. I've got a link below if you're interested. If you have any questions at all about what I've covered, drop those in the comments below, and I promise to get back to you as quickly as I can. We really enjoy putting products like this together, testing them in the field, then offering to folks on the channel. So again, thank you so much for all your support. I'm looking forward to questions, and if you have any concerns about any of the tech, drop those in the comments below and I'll get back to you. So hopefully you're getting a lot of time out there flying your drones, and until next time, as always, happy flying.